Home Remedies presents. It treats cataracts, glaucoma, restores vision and relieves eye inflammation. Eye drops are made from rosemary leaves, which prevent the development of cataracts. Rosemary leaves can prevent vision loss caused by macular degeneration. A chemical that occurs naturally in the common herb rosemary has been found to protect the eye from macular degeneration and other eye diseases. The compound in rosemary is called carnosic acid. Our main ingredient in today's remedy will be rosemary. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: rosemary 4 sprigs, sea salt 10 grains, water 150 ml. Procedure: take a bowl, fill it with water and add a teaspoon of baking soda in it. Wash rosemary sprigs with this water. Leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse in running water. Pat dry with kitchen paper. Separate the leaves from the sprigs and now chop the dried rosemary leaves. Now take 150 ml of boiling water and add 2 teaspoons of chopped rosemary leaves and 10 grains of sea salt. Mix thoroughly, cover and keep it and leave it to cool completely in a cool, dry place. Once cooled, strain it in a dark amber dropper bottle. How to use: put 2 drops in the affected eyes 3 times a day for best results. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.